We're down here at Columbus, Georgia on the Chattahoochee River. They do whitewater rafting here, and we just came over to spend some time over here today and look around. Fixing to try this Banks food hall, and particularly the hot dog factory inside. I'm gonna walk over here. Looks like they got some outside dining. Yeah, beautiful, really cool setup. It's one of the old warehouses. There's quite a few of them downtown Columbus from the mill days and the cotton mill and steel mill industry days. So here we go in here. Let's see what they have. Have a bar to your right. Have a Jeremiah's Italian ice and gelato. Let's see what they have over here. This looks like the Poke Bowl place. Let's walk around the other side and see what other food venues are around. This is also the first time I'm trying out this new DJI camera, so I might make some mistakes here and there. Let's go around and see what's around this corner. Cool little American Eagle mural. El Primo Taqueria. That sounds good too. I'll hit that next time. Fountain City Coffee Company. And authentic Filipino cuisine. Look at the really cool mural on the wall over there. That's very, very cool. Alright, and I think we found the Hot Dog Company food truck looking restaurant. Really cool how they did that shape. Alright, let's go eat.
JJ ordering at the original hot dog factory.
Hey guys, we're in Columbus, Georgia. We're trying the original hot dog factory. I think the complex was called the Banks. Yeah, I think it's the Banks. It's an old warehouse downtown Columbus River. Chattahoochee River. Anyway, we're going to try the Chicago dog combo and the Detroit dog combo. And we'll let you know what we think. It's a really cool vibe in here. Hey guys, we just got our hot dog combo from the hot dog factory, and I've got the Chicago dog. It looks amazing. Debbie got the Detroit dog, which is a fancy chili dog. It looks really good too. So we'll let you know how they are. Alright, we're digging in. Let's see how good it is. It's a mouthful.
What do you think, JJ?
Very good. This is a good hot dog. Alright guys, I want to get a really close up of the hot dog. I don't know if you can see the grill marks right there, but this is more like a gourmet hot dog than some of them we get sometimes, but very, very good, very tasty.
Hey guys, the hot dog's really good. The Detroit dog, JJ, is Chicago dog.
Great.
They're really, yeah. So if you're ever over in Columbus, make sure you drop into the Banks Food Hall and look at the original hot dog factory.
And the french fries are good too.
Yep, and the french fries are great.